Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the head element of the HTML. We have seen the head element in every video of our HTML tutorials. Now in this video we're gonna learn more about the head element. We won't be using the editor today, so we're only gonna go through all of the information about the head element. The head element is a container for the metadata. It means data about the data that you are providing, and it is always tag between the HTML and the body tag. Alright, and the head element is a container for the other elements such as title element. We also use the style, meta element, link element, and the script and the base. So I'm gonna define each one of these elements briefly here. The title element defines the title of the document, and the title must be the text only, and it is shown on the browser's title bar or in the page tab. And we also have the style element is used to define the style information for the single HTML page. And we have a link element that defines the relationship between the current document and the external source. Okay, meta element, there are different functions of the meta element. It could be used for the character set, page description, and keywords if you want to use, author of the document, and also the viewport settings. And we also use the script element within the head element. The script element is used to specify the client side JavaScript. And we also have the base element, and in the base element you give the base URL of that website or the web page, and you also set target attribute for all the relative URLs in the page. This is all for this video. If you really find it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.